In 2013, the Chicago Botanic Garden showed how the power of plants touches everyone. Last year, the garden set an annual attendance record for the 5th year in a row. And for the first time in our 42-year history, we welcomed more than 1 million visitors. Our curated collections and vibrant display gardens are the foundation of what we've been able to achieve since we opened in 1972. Last year, we distilled the scope of our expanding work into a new mission statement. We cultivate the power of plants to sustain and enrich life. For many young children, learning about plants begins with the garden's youth and family programs. In 2013, we provided programs for more than 90,000 children and their parents or caregivers. More than 30,000 students and teachers enjoyed field trips on our 385-acre campus. And 70 teens from Chicago Public Schools benefited from our mentoring programs in science through our Science Career Continuum. Adults learn here as well. Last year, nearly 5,000 people took classes from the Joseph Regenstein School, and 71 earned professional certificates. Never have plant research and conservation been more important to our changing planet. Last year, the garden received its largest National Science Foundation grant to date to study flowering plants and pollinators. Today, there are more than 200 garden scientists, graduate students from our master's and PhD program with Northwestern University, and interns. They conduct research in our backyard, within the United States, and around the world. In 2013, the garden was honored by Chicago Wilderness, the North American Lake Management Society, and the Landscape Architecture Foundation for multi-year projects that have helped restore fragile habitats within the garden. Through its Windy City Harvest program, the Chicago Botanic Garden offers training programs that have prepared thousands of teens and young adults to enter the workforce. In 2013, we mentored 90 at-risk teens and trained over 50 hard-to-employ adults at urban farm sites in the Chicago area. 5 new urban farmers began working at 3 incubator farm plots through Windy City Harvest, thanks to a grant by the National Institute of Food and Agriculture at the USDA. The garden also launched the Midwest's largest rooftop farm, encompassing 20,000 square feet at McCormick Place. We are extremely grateful to the Forest Preserves of Cook County, our greatest supporter. Last year, the garden awarded the Hutchinson Medal to the Forest Preserves. This award honors those who have advanced the fields of horticulture, plant science, and conservation. We were honored to present the medal to Cook County Board President Tony Preckwinkle and General Superintendent Arnold Randall at a garden board meeting in December. In 2014, the Chicago Botanic Garden continues to invest in the power of plants. Last June, the Board of Directors approved Plants for Life 2020, a fundraising campaign to complete the goals of our strategic plan. So far, 55% of the capital funds have been raised. This year, we seek to complete fundraising for the Learning Campus, with its innovative education center and garden, and for the new greenhouses and nurseries at the Kris Jarantoski campus, named in honor of our Executive Vice President and Director's 37 years of extraordinary service to the garden. Each year, this living museum engages more people through its beauty and public programs, and through its educational, research, and workforce training opportunities. Last year, our record number of visitors represented all ages, interests, abilities, ethnicities, and faiths. In 2013, we were grateful to be able to offer another spectacular growing season at the garden for people as well as the plants they and we love.